Hello, my name is Tyler Swingler, and this is my creative project for the MHL 155 music class. As you can see here, I have built a record player, and this consists of mainly cardboard. And as you can see here, I painted the cardboard blue and white stripes on the sides, on all the sides, and then blue on the top and the bottom. And then inside we have a 45 revolutions per minute motor, which turns this turntable, and that is powered by this 12 volt DC transformer, which is plugged into an outlet. In addition to that, I have a switch, which is also powered from that 12 volt DC transformer, and this will turn the turntable on and off. And then over here, I have my arm, which was probably the most difficult part of the piece because I was in a lot of problems because it was very heavy. With my first prototype, I used cardboard, and it was way too heavy for the record, and the needle would keep sliding off, which was frustrating, but I figured out a way for it to be lighter. So I used balsa wood, which is a really light wood, and that solved my problem for the record player. And then I have a cone here, which will amplify the sound, and that's not actually my first prototype. This is my first prototype here. As you can see, it's massive, and it has cardboard along the edges here. And this was way too heavy for the arm. So I had to go way down to this size, and this worked a lot better. It amplified the sound a lot better, but it was also way too heavy. So I had to go down to this cone shaped, which required no cardboard. I just rolled up the paper and I taped it, and I made this cone shape here, and it amplified this sound incredibly well. And I have here a needle which is punctured through the paper out through the other end. And what that does is that needle will sit on the record, and it will vibrate it, and it will travel through the cone, which will vibrate the cone, and which will amplify the sound from the record. And now I'm going to be playing Suspicious Minds by Elvis Presley, and I hope you enjoy.